Hello guys, today we're gonna compare these two graphic cards. I'm using RTX 4070 from ASUS, and this one is RTX 5070. And before I replace the RTX 4070 with the 5070, I will try to compare the performance. Maybe I'm gonna try to do the rendering test, the software rendering test. And yeah, let's get started. This one is RTX 4070 and this one is RTX 5070. This is the PCIe, and we have this one HDMI and 3 display port. The power supply is, we only have 8 pin. This is the power supply for the 4070 RTX, and this one is RTX 5070. And this is the PCIe connector. We have this 12 plus 4 pin, is a little bit more than 4070. It has 12 pin top side and 4 pin down side, so the total is 16 pin. And this graphic card also comes with the adapter cables. This is 12 pin plus 4, and this is our old system power supply 8 pin, so you can connect your old power supply into this 12 plus 4 socket. And also we have, I think the same, we have 1 HDMI and 3 display port. The differences is only the in 4070 is here, and from the 5070 is down here. And when we compare the size, the 4070 is a little bit bigger than 5070 with the same dual fan. I think the difference is about 2 centimeter. And if we compare the power consumption, this 4070 RTX needs 200 watts. This 5070 needs 250 watt for the power consumption. So the power supply unit minimum for this RTX 4070 is 650, and for the RTX 5070 you need minimum power supply 750 watt power supply to run the graphic cards. And both are using 12 gigabyte VRAM. For the RTX 4070 it's running in DDR6 VRAM, and the 5070 running in DDR7 VRAM 12 gigabyte. Okay, let's turn on the power. Okay, after we are installing the graphic cards and we're turning on the computer, it's time for me to do a software test. This time I want to test it inside the Blender software 3D. The Blender I'm using is Blender 5.2 with the cycles render. In this first scene, this is an interior scene. I rendered a still image. The size is 1920 by 1080 pixels. For both testing, RTX 4070 and RTX 5070, I'm using the same system. I'm using Intel i7 14700K and 32 gigabytes of RAM. This is not the real rendering time, so I make it a little bit faster for the purpose of learning and experiment. As you can see, the result is very similar. And let's do the second scene. This is the outdoor scenes, and this is also still image. I'm doing a cycles render inside the Blender 5.2. I also make this preview faster for the purpose of learning. And the RTX 4070 is faster than the RTX 5070 in these rendering scenes. The difference is about 14 seconds. And yeah, let's compare with the scene number 3. This is a cartoon 3D character. I also make a speed a little bit higher. And this time I'm rendering a still image The size is 1920 by 1920 pixels. It is a square. And the result is, again, it is very similar. It is only 1 second differences. Okay guys, that's it for today. This is my experiment comparing two graphic cards. I think it is a similar system or similar chip, I don't know, but the result from the rendering system is very similar, or even it is the same. So maybe I need your comment, guys. So yeah, that's it about my experiment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for your like and subscribe. It will support me making more videos in the future. Electronic computer and 3D. See you again. Terima kasih and bye bye.